Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the two numbers so they behave predictably. Check formats, integers, decimals, or formatted phone values because mismatches break links. Once done, copy both values to a working field or spreadsheet row. Make a backup first so you can undo changes. Now choose how to link them. Concatenate for labels, compute a ratio for comparison, or map one to the other for lookup. I'll show the simplest practical starting method, step by step, so you can act immediately. You normalize both numbers now, trim whitespace, remove currency or percent symbols, and align decimal places so operations succeed. Next, apply the chosen method. Use concat for labels like 123-456, or compute arithmetic, divide, subtract, or create a formula that defines the relationship. If mapping, make a lookup table with keys and values. Then validate results on a few sample rows. This prevents scaling errors. Make sure to note any edge cases, such as zeros or nulls. You finalize by locking the final fields and documenting the exact method, including assumptions like rounding or default values. Once done, run the full dataset test and inspect for common failures. Divide by zero, missing values, or mismatched formats. If something goes wrong, revert to your backup immediately. Then isolate failing cases and reproduce the error on a small sample to fix the root cause. Finally, make a small correction, reapply, and confirm all rows link.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.